back to my channel. It has been a long time since I've posted one of my vintage thrift hauls. I never know what to call them, but a lot of people, or a handful of people, have been asking me when I'm going to post another one over on my Instagram, and the day is finally here. So a lot of this stuff I have had for such a long time. I just feel like a lot has been going on, especially during the quarantine, which should be the opposite because we're just sitting at home doing nothing. But anyways, I'm here, we're doing it now. Let's get going. I posted a picture of these on my Instagram not too long ago. It's just this little floral arrangement. I don't even know how to describe this or what to call it, but I thought it was cute. I originally wanted to have it out for Easter, but I just thought it would be cute. Doesn't this look like something that would go in like an Easter display in the bathroom or something? I got it for 99 cents. I just love the colors, and it's just super spring to me. It would look really cute in like a vintage style, shabby chic bathroom. And then I have this, I can't remember what these are called, message boards, but I got it for $1.99 at Goodwill, and I just thought the little rose print looks like an old sheet or something, but it's so pretty. And then it has this little ribbon to hang it from. It is a little dirty, so I need to clean it up, but I thought this would be a nice way to display some of my vintage greeting cards or just little paper type things that I don't know how to put out. So this would be a good way to display them in my vanity room somehow. Isn't the print just so pretty? But $1.99, and it's really large, so I thought that was a good deal. So I found some more padded hangers, and these are so pretty. I'm gonna have to show a close-up of these three because I think the colors together are so beautiful. I wish I could just put them like this somewhere, I don't know. Because obviously when you hang stuff on them, it covers up the design. But I especially like this bottom one with the floral on it. And I get these for 25 cents at a specific thrift store that always seems to have like a bunch of them that I can't stop buying. So there's these, and then I have these two pink ones as well. One's pink, one's kind of peach with a cool design. So I found this ornament of this little angel girl. She is so cute. I think she's a little messed up. She's made out of like paper mache. I don't know if she's vintage or what, but just look how adorable she is. So she has a few rips in the paper, but I think her face is so cute. So she's gonna have to go in my tree. This was 79 cents at Goodwill. I actually think she was around a quarter because the Christmas stuff was on sale. So I have two hats. This one, I'm not sure if this one's vintage. It says made in China, so I guess not. But I thought it was really pretty. I love when they have flowers that are actually nice on the front. And I kind of really like the shape of this one. I thought it was different. The brand on the inside says Two Blondes. I'll have to look that up. But I forget how much this was. Just a couple of dollars, I believe, at Goodwill. So cute. I'm going to display it on the wall somehow. I guess like this. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. I have like a vision of how I want to redo my room in there soon. And I want to have a little display on the wall of my vintage hats, which I don't have many. And then I found this one, little pillbox hat. I actually think this is for a child. It was $6, but I'd never find these at thrift stores, only estate sales. So I grabbed it. It's a little bent right here, but it has a clip on the inside and then cute little pearls on top and a little bow. I just thought it was really I just thought it was really cute. I couldn't leave it behind. It has a little dangly guy here too. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty on the wall as well. Found this for $2. It needs to be fluffed up, like just rearranged because the bow's all flattened and stuff. But how pretty would this look like above a door or on the top of a shelf, like the top shelf, just to add a little something, or maybe above my vanity. I don't know, it was very shabby cottage chic to me. And it was only $2, so it looks so drab right now, but it's gonna look cute. I found this little hanger. It's like a wall. You just like hang it on the wall and hang something from it. It was $1.50, so I thought this would be cute to display something in the room, and I like this little pink color. It does bother me. You can kind of see the glue right there. It looks like Gorilla Glue. But for $1.50, I thought I'd grab it and give it a shot. I got this piece for 99 cents. It's a heavy like metal bow to go on the wall. It's gold. Or is this brass or gold? I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna fit tiny nails in there. But this was really pretty. Also kind of like a vintage shabby chic feel. This would be cute above like a mirror or a picture frame. It actually didn't have a price on it and she just charged me 99 cents for it, so thank you, girl. I found this adorable Wedgwood egg. I think it is vintage. Yes, it says made in Japan on the bottom, and it's actually a music box, or I guess you put like a ring in there maybe, but I don't think it works. Oh, it works. It does work. Ooh, it's cute. I don't think it is Wedgwood, but it just has that Wedgwood look, and I just thought it was really dainty and pretty. It reminds me of Marie Antoinette. And then I found another made in Japan item. This one is really dirty. I have not cleaned it yet. It's a little oil lamp, but I loved the pink roses. And then it still had the glass piece attached, which is good. It does work, but it's out of the wick, I think. But how cute is that? That would look really cute on a vanity once I clean it up. Maybe I'll put it on mine. I might list this online. I don't think it's worth that much, to be honest, because it's just... I think these are like a dime a dozen online, to be honest. But I got it for 59 cents at Goodwill, which I'm surprised about because that's a really good price. Like, was that an accident? I found this beautiful plate for $4 at a thrift store. I love the blue and purple together. This one is also dirty. I don't clean my items before I do my haul. I keep it in a pile because if I clean it and put it away, I'll forget about it and then I won't show it. So I feel like this is a good one to hang on the wall. But I do have a little plate rack in my kitchen, so I might put it on there. I forgot I bought this. I wish that I didn't remember, because why did I get this? Oh, what was I thinking? I didn't even know how much this was. Hopefully only a quarter. It's an iron-on image, and it's of this little bunny. Like, why? I'm not gonna wear this. I feel like I had to have gotten this as a joke or something. Look at her collar though. It has like pearls. I don't know if you can see, pearls and little rosettes. I have all the stuff to make this exact shirt, and I'm not going to. Gosh. I'm the kind of person that should not be allowed inside Goodwill. I found 4 of these baby blue placemats for $1.99 for all 4. I thought that was cute. I just thought they were pretty. I just redid my coffee table, and then I am about to redo my kitchen table to have like a stained wood top. And I always feel like we're gonna spill stuff on it and it's gonna be hard to get up. So that's why I bought these. I had that in mind. And the last bundle of items are clothes, starting with this sweater. This is just a regular blue sweater that I liked by Croft & Barrow, and it was $4.98. However, I'm sure I got it on sale. Just a good, you know, chunky sweater to wear in the winter. I'm definitely someone who shops for the seasons in the opposite time because you always get better deals that way. And I got another sweater. This one's adorable. It's like a mint green with white polka dots, and it looks brand new. It's from Tailbots, and I got it for $1. I remember the next 2 pieces were $1. But how adorable. It looks like something that would be in the Lauren Conrad line, honestly. But I wish I would have been able to go somewhere on Easter, because this would have been cute to wear over an Easter dress. Or just in the spring to like church, to cover yourself. Maybe one day we'll be able to leave the house again. And then this is so cute. Look at this shirt. Like fluffs out on the bottom like a peplum or like tutu. It's so cute. I love that the sheer polka dots. I'm going through like a polka dot phase. Not like black and white polka dots, but you know, that like sheer little polka dot trend that's going around right now. And I love this baby pink color. This was also $1. So pretty. I don't know the brand. I can't wait to wear this. And then I found this. I think it's a slip. That's how I'm gonna wear it, if I can make it work with some dresses that I have. Because it's just like a slip material right here, like this stretchy kind of spandex material. But then the bottom has this ruffling and lace. So I thought that'd be cute if you have this sticking out from maybe underneath the dress, or just have it or just use it to kind of flare out the bottom of your dress. But this was from Goodwill for I think $1.99. So these last 3 items are vintage nightgowns, of course. This one is so cute. I think it's a slip. Another baby blue one, of course. It's pleated at the top. And then again on the bottom. I'm not going to try these on because they're too see-through and little. It's by Shadowline, of course. But I just love the bottom. It does have some light staining, so I'm going to have to run it through an oxy bath. I got another blue one, but this one is so cute. It's like a ballerina. I like the little straps right here. Another triangle top. It reminds me of something that like a dancer would wear for her costume at like a recital or something, but it's Vanity Fair, of course. That's probably why I love it so much. They always have really beautiful pieces. So yeah, I may list this one, so if you're interested in it, be sure to keep an eye on my Etsy or Poshmark. This next one is by the brand Mala K. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's just this ivory color, and I loved the sleeves, how they have this like little ruffling on the edge. And it's just a long slip. This one's very sheer, so it might actually be a slip. No, this is a nightgown because of the top, right? I don't know. I can't wait to go back to Goodwill and buy every single nightgown. It's been so long since I've been able to that I feel like I'm just going to buy all of them. So, yep, that's everything I have to share with you for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know your favorite item down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.